Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to analyze multiple charts, patterns and support and resistance area, how to draw that, and the price movement, how it will be move, and how we want to take entry in Bank Nifty. We are going to discuss today. Okay, let us go for chart. See friends, today is November 1st. We are discussing about Bank Nifty, and today it's a result of HDFC Bank. It has the highest weightage in Bank Nifty. So if HDFC results will be positive, means my Bank Nifty will go upside, and if HDFC results will negative, means Bank Nifty will go downtrend. That is the view today's market. See friends, this is a time frame of 5 minutes. Time frame I have set here, and studies are in these studies I have applied indicator of moving average 21 days, moving average 50 days, moving average 10 days, MACD. This one I have applied, and I want to apply one more indicator, that is RSI, because that will shows the exact thing, sorry, that will show the overbought zone to oversold zone, so that we can analyze where is the demand zone and where is the supply zone. So I'm going to apply RSI indicator. In this study we want to edit that because of RSI period 14. Okay, overbought zone 80 and oversold zone 20. Okay, done. Okay, both also same in this, but I want to change, means overbought zone means this want to show in red, oversold means we want to buy entry. Okay, because I have applied 80, because if 80 reach, means that is the resistance area reach the price, and 20 I have selected green because that is the oversold zone, and price want to become rise from that zone, because I have selected green, that is the support area. Okay, the reason why I have selected red and green. Okay, see, this is the this is the RSI I have applied now, and this is the MACD I have put the indicators, and here are the 200 days moving average, 20 days moving average, 50 days moving average I have selected. And in this 5 minutes candle it was not showing proper what is the trend today, and it was moving uptrend or downtrend, but little bit uptrend, and it was moving in sideways. Okay, I am going to tell in look it in 1 minute candle, because we are discussing time multiple time frame analysis, means we want to observe the charts in multiple different of time frame. We are using the price action. Okay, see, the price is moving, where's the exact price moving. Okay, okay, see here exactly. See, actually this one here 56 RSI 56, above 56 means little bit of uptrend. Okay, exactly 50 means it was in neutral state, and after above the 50 means the trend will be gone into uptrend. Okay, this is the 1 minute chart pattern. Okay, we want to look at it 5 minutes. Actually, because of intraday taking entries, we want to use 5 minutes only. Almost I use 15 minutes also, because in 15 minutes I don't find any fake breakouts. Okay, I'm going to open trading view, and I will tell you how to draw the trend line according to the, like, 1 day candle, 1 day chart view. I want to put support and resistance area, and a 15 minutes candle, and 4 hours candle and 5 minutes candle also. I will detailedly explain you how to draw trend line and analyze with multiple analysis and multiple time frame. Okay, see, I have applied here day time frame. Okay, and see, this is the support area, and this is also drawn here. Also I have drawn one trend line. Here also I have drawn one trend line. Here also I drawn one trend line. Okay, this is the major support area and this is the major resistance area. After we up looking this 1 day candle, we want to change it as a 4 hours candle. Okay, then this chart will show you how exactly we have drawn the chart. See, this is the exact support area, it was showing clearly, and this is another one support area, another one resistance, another one resistance area. After confirmation by the 4 hours time frame, you want to select this 45 minutes, because exactly we want to draw the trend lines first, because with your trend lines we can't do any trades. Okay, see, price is at 39,433. This trend line area, see, I have already done this trend line here. If the price is in this exactly at the trend line, means once this price breaks up, means we want to take the call option in the bank nifty, and once this trend line breaks down, means we want to take the put option in bank nifty. Okay, after that suddenly, and what is the target here? For example, here 39,419 is running now present. If the trend line will break and started moving upwards, means this is the major resistance area. The price will hit this target, and price will consolidate little bit of time, and it will reach to the this area, because this already the price has been bounced one more time previously, because the this is the second target, and if price means break the trend line, this is the first target and this is the second target. Okay, we want to, this is how we want to take the trades. And what is the stop loss? Stop loss means, see, once it break, means this candle's low is our stop loss. Otherwise, moving days, 10 days moving average lines below is the is our stop loss area, because this uh, professional traders will put stop loss below the previous candle, or the moving average below, they will put the stop loss. We are going to apply the same things when we put the stop loss below that candle price, you are going to put stop loss. Otherwise, this trend lines below, we want to put the stop loss. Okay, this is the first once this will break this trend line and started moving upwards, this is the first target, and this is the second target, and this is the third target. This third target will reach in the very events or any big move changes in market, then only we hit the third target. But bank nifty we can't tell that, because bank nifty has a huge volume. Okay, once, see, this is the 45 minutes time frame I have told now to analyze. Okay, and now this is the logic to change. I will change the time frame. I have selected 15 minutes time frame. This support and resistance area, see how perfectly it was working. See, friends, this candle wick, it reached at the exact support area when I draw by using 1 day candle, right? The wick have reached the exact support area. Okay, and price has gone to gone upwards. See, friends, after that, this is the support area I have discussed now. Price is now exactly, and price is moving. See, you can observe, I am showing you in the live market. We want to discuss about, wait a minute, I'm going to change this chart into auto mode. a minute, friends, because the chart is not clear. That's why I'm going to reload this. Okay, see 39,000. Okay, I will analyze by 1 minute candle here. What is the move in Bank Nifty? 39,410. Okay, in 1 minute candle, in time frame. Okay, this is the 5 minutes candle chart. Oh, it was stuck in between here. It's not a issue because I will change this time frame in this Java application. Not a issue. Okay, I'm going to draw a trend line here. 1 day candle first. See, in the same way, I will show you. Okay, 1 day candle is high and low. Okay, and this is the support, and this is the okay. After that, I am going to use the same. I am changing the time frame here. 3 hours. Okay, after see the line will be and the shown in the exact time. Okay, 3 years I am selected now. See what are the changes I am getting here. What the fuck? Chart is not moving. Okay, see friends, in 1 minute, in 3 hours candle, it has showing like this. After a while, I'm going to change this in 15 minutes. Okay, this is a chart of 15 minutes, and we are going to see exactly. This is the exact downtrend. Once downtrend has broken, once it started retracing, and the price will go upward movement because these two moving averages, um, top side only, above only the candles has creating. Okay, once this candle will break, started moving upwards to this 200 days moving average price, then the price will go upside to the first target to second target. I already discussed with you people that will reach the easily reach the first target, and after consolidate it will definitely reach the second target. Okay, let us see what happened to this both of the charts. Okay, it's a server issue, I think. Okay, see friends, this is higher lower low and higher high. That means market is in uptrend. See for 39,421 is the current market price, and we are looking by 5 minutes. I am going to change in 5 minutes time frame. See, the chart will be changed. See friends, this is the resistance area, this is the resistance, and this is the exact support zone. Okay, this is the exact support zone, and this is exact resistance zone, and price is moving in the middle. Open fast, man. What is the wrong with trading view? Okay, okay. Bank Nifty. Okay, okay friends, once chart will open I will explain that. Okay, okay friends, this is the downtrend and this is the upwards trend. In such a case, how we want to uh, uh, take trade means, once this resistance area will, if we take trade from here means, exactly here means, this is our first target. Okay, this is the exact thing, this is our first target, and our stop loss is here, and the candles below is our stop loss. If not, if price not move, goes upwards and market trend has been reversed means, it, it will be fall from here 39,426 to 39,000, sorry, 38,800. This is the major support area. From price here to here it will be falling chances is there. This is how we want to analyze the time frame by looking the charts. Okay, that's it friends. I will tell you, see, it has opened now. This is very slow. Okay, see, this is the day candle, day time frame. I am going to draw a trend line again. So this is the support area. Wait a minute. What the fuck? That's it friends, thank you. I will, this chart is not able to open because the server is slow. Okay, I think you hope how to analyze this support and resistance area by multiple time frame. That's it friends, thank you for watching. And if you like, you just like the video, otherwise you just, if you don't like, means subscribe my video. Thank you.